What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to share with you a simple and easy way to find planner niches for KDP. So, welcome back to Stacking Profit. My name is Paddy and over here we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. Now, like I said in this video, I'm going to share with you a real simple and easy way to find planner niches for KDP. Also, there are timestamps down in the description to help you navigate throughout this video. So, let's crack on with the video. Now, what we're going to be using is Google and also Amazon. Now, you can dive deeper and use self-publishing Titan's free Chrome extensions, and you could also use Helium 10's magnet tool. Now, if you want a discount for Helium 10, then click that link down in the description because you can get 50% off your first month when you use code StackingProfit50 or 10% off every month when you use code StackingProfit10. If that's something that you're interested in, then click that link down in the description. Now, with Google, there's a search term that we're going to use. Now, what I'm about to share with you now can be used in so many different types of niches. For this example, we're going to do planner. Now, why am I going to share with you how to research planner niches? Well, if you watched our previous video from last week, that's this video just here. In fact, I'll link this right now in the right hand corner so you can come through and watch. But within this video, I share a real simple way of creating planners. So come through, check that out after you've watched today's video. Now, with this search term, it's underscore space planner. So let me do that again. We're going to go underscore space planner. Could help if I could spell, so planner. There we go. Now, what this search term does is something very, very interesting. Now, if we go to the beginning, just here, before that underscore, and if we type any letter, let's do Q, it's going to pull up every search term with planner within the search term and that starts with the letter that you put here. So if we look through these, we can see this quilt planner. Very interesting. Never heard of that one before. So this is what I would do. I would start off with Q, like so. Then I'd start going through the alphabet, finding these niches here, and then seeing if there's demand over here on Amazon. Now, let's change this to all departments. Let's type in planner. Now, what was this? This was quilt, I believe. So let's go back to Google. We have quilt planner. So let's try this and see if there's demand. So quilt, give that a second. Yes, there is. Look at that. There's people searching for a quilt planner 2022, quilt planner for women. So we can see people are actually searching this keyword. Now, if no one was searching for a quilt planner, then I'd have no recommendations here. Amazon only auto-populates the keywords which people are actually searching for. And in this example, we found quilt planner. We've typed it in. It looks like people are searching for that. So let's now click on one of these. So quilt planner has 635 results, so extremely low. Now, let's just give self-publishing Titan's Chrome extension a couple of seconds to do its thing, and we'll be right back. And boom, we're back. So it has given us a score of 13, so ideally this doesn't really look that great. But if we look at the stats, it doesn't actually look that bad. 635 results. Bestsellers rank is a little bit high. Those average reviews are pretty low as well. And if we take a look down, we can have a look to see what they look like. But this is just one niche out of so many that you can find just by searching Google. Now that was for Q, so let's do W. So we have wedding planner, weekly planner. We have, that's it. Let's go on to E. So we have an event planner. I'd stay away from that because that's going to pull up some different stuff. So let's do are. So we have a route planner. Let's have a look at that. Let's take away the quilt. Let's do route planner. People are searching this, so let's click on that and see what we get. Let's give the SPT's Chrome extension a second to do its thing. And there we go. The niche score doesn't look that great. There's only 1,000 results, so potentially this is something that you could dive deeper into to take a look. And again, doing this little research method, this is just one niche out of so many. Look at this, room planner, road trip planner. So let's take a look at that. Road trip planner, look at that. So road trip planner, that one wants a map, so I wouldn't do that. Planner and journal, software, organizer. So let's click on the road trip planner. Again, 1,000 results. And there we go. So for road trip planner, that's given us a score of 39. So everything is becoming better. Remember, the more research that you can do, the better niches that you're going to find. Now with this, I could dive even deeper by using Magnet Tool, by typing that in over here. But again, I'm just going to keep going through some of these so you can get a feel for this method. Now let's take away the R, let's do a T. Trip planner. Let's have a look at that. So practically the same, but without the road. So let's take away there. There we go. Look at this, keywords. So trip planner, 3,000 results. Let's give it a second. And that one has a score of 21, so that isn't the greatest niche. But again, let's go back to Google. Now what I would just keep on doing is go through the alphabet. Look, we have a year planner. What else? Yearly wall planner, not too sure about that. Let's do U. Urban planner. No. Let's try an I. IKEA kitchen planner. Wow, who would have thought? But you get the idea. This is just a real simple method of finding niches for any type of book. Because all that we have to do is change out the planner. So let's take away that. Let's do a journal. Let's go back to the I. Let's go back to the beginning. So let's do Q. So Queen's Journal, Quest Journal, QR Journal, Quran Journal. So a few ideas just here. Then if we did W, Wall Street Journal, nope. What is a bullet journal? Nope. So nothing there. Elephant Journal, look at that. And also an energy journal. Never heard of that. So let's have a quick look. Energy journal, look at that. People are searching for this. If we click on that, we can take a quick look. It says 3,000 results, so it's a little on the high side, but let's just give it a second. And that's given us a 2, so that's really not a great niche. But again, this is just one niche out of probably thousands that you can do with this niche research method. We can even change journal to colouring book, like so. Now if we go back to the E and start again, we can see quarantine colouring book, queen colouring book, quotes colouring book, queer colouring book, that's a bit weird, quirkle. So lots of great ideas. If we change that to W, we have World of Flowers, Water Wow, bit of a weird one, but again, so many great niche ideas that you can find just by using Google. And it's completely free to do so. So come over to Google, type in planner, start researching, finding those ideas. Then once you have those ideas that you actually want to go and create that type of planner, come back, watch this video, because this is going to share with you a real simple method of using the templates within Canva to customize and create your own unique planners. So again, if you want to watch this video, it will be right there in the right hand corner. Now, one thing I do want to note really quick before I end the video, and that is about self-publishing titans. One thing that I'd love for you to do is go over to their channel, because Corvin's been putting out a lot more helpful content recently, and they've just passed 6,000 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to Self-Publishing Titans YouTube channel yet, then come through, subscribe and show some love. I will link their YouTube channel down in the description as well, just so it's a little bit easier for you to come through and subscribe, especially if you want to learn about running Amazon ads. If you do, come through, check out this video just here. It's 42 minutes long, but it's packed full of value, and it's a great video to watch if you're beginning running Amazon ads. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.